Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to touch on the topic of YouTube comments by email. If for some reason you stop receiving them, I have a fix for you. 2 weeks ago, I couldn't receive any more email notifications as far as comments on my videos. I tried to figure out what was going on, and so I found this fix for it. I'll show you how to do it. So from the Creator Studio, go to Settings in the lower left hand side. Click on Upload Defaults. Click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Now here's my problem. Comments was set to hold potential inappropriate comments for review. That held back all my comments. So what I did was I checked allow all comments, saved, and now I received comments by email again. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, Natty Design Studio, and Random User 910. You can be here too. Link below.